Facebook has a TikTok now. Of course it does. Who doesn't have a TikTok? TikTok has a TikTok now.
What's Reels, though?
Well, that's Instagram. I presume this is directly on Facebook.
Right.
Oh, no. Facebook is on TikTok.
Yes.
Facebook has an account on TikTok.
Oh.
So it got verified as well.
13,000 followers.
Which is interesting because it's not Meta. It's Facebook.
Oh,
well,
good catch, Will.
Facebook still exists.
Yes.
It's just
Yeah, but they're rebranding themselves.
Yeah, no. Facebook. Foosbook. Frostbook.
Another one?
How dare you?
What did I do?
Facebook is still a product. It's like Google still exists under Alphabet. YouTube still exists under Google.
Right, okay.
Facebook still exists under Meta. Like you can still go to facebook.com. What is this verification page over here? Yeah. But yeah, they're trying to go there to promote their thing. This is like whenever I open a new phone, every single time I open up a new phone and I go to generic non-signed in YouTube, you want to know what I get? A TikTok ad. Every single time.
Yes,
Right.
I know this.
They're promoting.
Have you heard of TikTok? We
apps.
noticed that you opened YouTube right away. We're just going to send our competitor a boatload of money to remind you can watch video here instead. Look at what you're missing on TikTok. Well, here's what Facebook is doing. Facebook is saying, guess what you're missing on Facebook while you're on TikTok. And they can probably do their whatever promotions they're doing over there. They can probably whatever schemes they have.
That's funny.
Why can't YouTube be like, no, we don't want Facebook ads?
Oh, they can. No.
They want the money.
YouTube's sitting there saying, you pay us all day.
Yeah.
We'll take that money, give it back to creators to keep them on the platform.
All right, yeah.
Like
Makes
every
sense.
time
It's a great business plan.
every time the TikTok ad shows, 55% of the revenue generated from it goes to the person that posted the video, which guess what that does?
Makes them want to post more.
Cause they can post more video. Oh my God, it's magic. What a novel idea. YouTube came along, Google came along, and they said, I got this crazy idea. What if we pay them to post videos? You're going to pay them? Those people out there? The ones that are poking each other on social media? No, they'll do it for free. They'll keep creating content forever. They think that the like social reward of the like button or something, that's going to keep them doing it, right? It's free. You don't want to pay those people. You don't want to show them what that's like. You crazy? And the guy's like, no. Hear me out. We start paying them. They start investing in their businesses. They start producing more content. They start hiring people. They start creating entire businesses and business models. And then they stay on the platform. And they don't go do something else when they realize that the little hearts aren't paying the bills.
Oh my God. He definitely blew the mic there. It's always a fun episode when Lou starts yelling, though.
Oh, boy. It's one of those episodes.
No, it's not. It wasn't. It's a fast one. You hung too long on the last story, and that caused all the problems. It's got nothing to do with me.
Okay, well, Facebook is on TikTok.